Sure.
Alright. Is Mom not ready yet?
You ready?
Yep.
Go, go, go! Good job. All right, now come back the other way. Hold on, Hazel. Hazel, wait, wait. It's not a race. Just go. I want to see how you ride it.
I'm gonna catch up with her.
Did somebody hit the car?
Judy!
Watch where you're going.